hadn't been speeding, trip on my feet then. Feeding we seek and wait for the weekend. I could pull easy, let you break me then. Back to the peace and karma bar, first weekend. I'll be calling for you.
我思想在上还是换上这顶帽子，你们看一下我的整个的 look 是怎么样的，就是哎好黑呀，反正这样，是小熊外面太喜欢了沙滩，结果没有，为什么不提醒我要装上去？
Showing up means either way. Hear enough to know you never stay. Lately I've been losing every time been choosing paths that'll drive you away. Don't know where your mind ran, but as long as I can, I'll carve my way. I'll be calling for you when you need deep in
又不是很热的天气。
yourself in. I'll be calling for you when you leave your sins. My body
1、2、3、4、5、6，6个太阳人。
I'm sent.
然后讲这种标识。
Shut me out, but pull me close. Kinda loving it, give me a heartache. Hold me tight, but let me go. Kinda loving it, look what you started.
现在我们现在的阳光很好，我们在狮子岛，没有像海龟湾一样那么多人。
I don't mind what you do, what you do.
凌晨的6点钟，天还没有亮，然后我们准备去观景台上看日出，但是现在有点叫不到车耶。我们的日出看了个寂寞，太阳没有升起来，只有红红的，然后去吃早餐了。我们现在来到了观景台，然后呢，我们是摩托车上来的，在路上我们就看到了太阳，这是为什么呢？我们没有耐心，所以看不到。你看它里面圆圆的一个升上来了，然后我们要走这种很短很矮的楼梯，然后我们上到终点。